Namaste, and welcome to your grounding slow flow yoga class. Today's practice will take you through a 5-minute seated stretch and is open to all levels. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your kneecaps to ground the body. Soften the muscles in the face and the shoulders as you sit up tall. And allow your eyes to come to a gentle close. Begin to tune into the rhythm of your breath. Plant your left hand on the mat beside you and drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, coming back through to center and switching over to the other side. Right hand drops beside you on the exhale as the left ear goes towards the left shoulder. Take an inhale, fill up, and an exhale, release. Again, inhale. And deep exhale. Inhale, reach both of your arms up to the sky overhead, and exhale, the left hand comes outside the right knee as you come in for a twist. Right hand goes to the back of the mat. Inhale, nice and tall, and exhale, twist a bit deeper. Inhale, coming back through to center, both arms reaching up to the sky. And exhale, switch the twist, right hand outside the left knee, looking over that back shoulder. Inhale, come back through to center, both arms reach up, coming in for a side bend, left hand dropping over by your side, right arm reaching up and over, looking past that right elbow. Inhale, back through to center, and exhale, switching sides, right hand comes down by the side, breathing into the left side body. Inhale, back through to center, arms reach up tall, and exhale, straightening out the legs in front of you, rolling out the wrists and ankles. Putting a gentle bend in through the knees as you inhale, sit up nice and tall, and exhale, interlace the arms underneath the legs, gripping elbow to elbow. For a seated forward fold, breathing into the backs of the hamstrings. With every inhale, you create space, and every exhale, move into that space. Inhale, peel yourself away from your legs, sitting up tall, planting the palms of the hands behind you, left sole of the foot to the mat as you cross the right ankle over the left knee for seated figure 4. As you inhale, straighten through the elbows and press down through the hands, looking up and opening through the heart. Exhale, release, and switch. Left ankle on top of right knee. Press down through the hands, straighten through the elbows, and look up. Exhale, releasing both soles of the feet into the mat and windshield wipering your knees slowly left to right. Coming back to center and setting up for reverse tabletop, planting your palms and soles of the feet into the mat. Inhale, lifting the hips up, engaging the glutes, and letting the head drop back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Safely lower yourself down and come on to sit on your knees, hips on the heels. Allow your eyes to come to a close, coming full circle from the beginning of our practice. Inhaling our thumb knuckles up to our third eye, forehead center, and exhale as we bow our heads and say, Namaste. Thank you so much for allowing me to lead you through this practice. I hope you feel amazing and have a wonderful rest of your day or night. Namaste.